The theme of a story is the message or lesson that the author wants you to take away from the story. So after your reading, you should ask, what did the characters learn? How did the characters grow? Some common themes we have are courage, honesty, love, friendship, forgiveness, loyalty, hope, equality, hard work, teamwork. We also have been talking about the theme of acceptance with enemy pie and don't call me prune face. So these are common themes. And just like we've been talking about nouns, common themes, all of these words are abstract nouns. Okay, we're going to do an example. So number 1, choose the best theme from this passage. I don't want a new baby brother, whined Kim. Honey, you don't have a choice. He will be here next month, Mom said, rubbing her big belly. Kim couldn't believe that she would have to be around a loud, slobbery baby. Plus, the thought of sharing anything, especially attention from her mom and dad, with a new baby didn't sound fun at all. You will be one of the most important people in his life, Mom exclaimed. He will need you to look out for him and to teach him new things. I guess that's true. I will be showing him a lot of new things. Maybe it won't be all that terrible having a little rugrat running around here. Kim replied with a sigh. Just don't expect me to change diapers. So after reading this, what would you say the theme is? The topic for our theme, would it be acceptance, loyalty, compassion, or hope? Acceptance, very good, because Kim is having to accept the fact that she's having a baby brother. So now that's the topic of your theme. The next part is the actual theme. What would be the best choice for the theme of this little passage? A, anger can help you take responsibility for your behavior. B, new babies are just loud and slobbery. C, feeling important can help people accept change more easily. Or D, hoping for a future with no siblings is always useless. Right, C, feeling important can help people change more easily, because that's where Mom came back up here and told Kim that she'd be one of the most important people in her new baby brother's life, and that's when she said, I guess it wouldn't be that bad. Now you're going to practice 3 themes on your own.